Starting around the 7 walk 2024 stepn generally is exchanging at $1.725 in term of its worst rate with a value change of 59% in very most recent 1 hour in an in every practical sense significant way. GMT generally has a genuinely complete market cap of $372,744.90 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,233.84, which by and large is genuinely critical. This sort of makes stepn GMT in every practical sense, positioning at 127 in the digital currency market in a quite huge manner. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the stepn cost forecast finish of 2024, what will stepn be especially worth in 2024 in a truly significant manner? Is stepn an excellent venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will GMT cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, which in a real sense is very huge? These generally are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, sort of additional appearance how generally is stepn an essentially wise speculation, or by and large worth purchasing in 2024, or so they for the most part thought. Stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the GMT cost basically is supposed to for the most part cross an exceptionally normal value level of $769, the normal by and large least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to especially be $633, or so they generally thought. Besides, GMT can sort of arrive at a really most extreme value level of $43.1 in an unpretentious manner. Stepn value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of stepn truly is supposed to fundamentally be at around at least $1.589, which truly is genuinely huge. Stepn cost can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of $943 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $861 in ust in an unpretentious way. GMT value gauge April 2024. Concerning April 2024, stepn truly is supposed to arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $1,809, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The GMT cost could sort of arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $357, with the especially normal cost around $918, so stepn value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of stepn basically is supposed to fundamentally be at around a by and large least of $125.89, which especially is genuinely critical. GMT value figure May 2024. The stepn estimate for May 2024 expects that the GMT may for the most part arrive at a really greatest worth of $203 within in every practical sense, least cost of around $1897, which sort of is very huge. Discussing the sort of typical value GMT can in every practical sense stretch around $3.6 for May. GMT value gauge June 2024. With respect to June 2024, stepn basically is supposed to for the most part arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.17, or so they thought. The GMT cost could arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $3.23 with a very normal cost around $1.26 in an unpretentious manner. Stepn value conjecture July 2024 the very normal cost of stepn GMT could truly go to $220 toward the finish of July 2024 in an essentially significant manner. GMT could sort of exchange around a sort of greatest worth of $1480 with the by and large least expected cost of $1.11, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Stepn value expectation August 2024. Stepn cost by and large is supposed to generally reach between $80 to $641 in August 2024, while the in every practical sense normal cost of GMT for the August generally remains around $316. Stepn GMT value forecast September 2024. The cost for stepn in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $307 and $806 in an unobtrusive manner, while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $384 at 16 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn GMT value conjecture October 2024. The stepn GMT cost for October 2024 may explicitly arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $44, while the sort of most extreme gauge cost in every practical sense is around $977, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The sort of typical cost for GMT really is somewhat anticipated to buy. and large reached $553 in October 2024, showing how GMT fundamentally has an exceptionally complete market cap of $372,704,490 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,230,384. GMT value figure November 2024. The stepn conjecture for November 2024 expects that the GMT may arrive at a, for the most part, greatest worth of $40.55 with a sort of least cost of around $523, or so they essentially thought. Discussing that, especially normal value GMT can especially stretch around $18.59 for November in a really significant manner. GMT value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of stepn generally is determined to sort of be at around an extremely least worth of $6.33 in an unpretentious manner. The stepn value worth can especially arrive at an especially limit of $4,301 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $769 in USD, which is very huge. Stepn kind of passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been by and large diminished by 0.5% in its genuinely current worth, exhibiting that these generally are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, further showing how fundamentally is stepn a kind of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024 in an especially huge manner. On the off chance that we truly look at the really current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap especially is likewise down in a for the most part huge manner. Stepn essentially is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, showing how stepn value figure Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of stepn especially is supposed to truly be at around a very least of $1.589, which truly is very huge. The GMT fundamentally is down to nearly 7-12% in the kind of most recent 7 days in a very huge manner. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past not many days. The coin could truly have sought major areas of strength for of in any case, we don't in a real sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in truly momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn value figure 2024 facts what will especially be stepn worth in 2024 in a kind of large manner. The GMT cost truly is determined to, for the most part, arrive at an essentially greatest degree of $1.4301 with pretty least cost of $633 toward the finish of 2024, showing how this really makes stepn GMT certainly positioning at 127 in the digital money market, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Does stepn especially have a future, or so they generally thought? As far as value, stepn in a real sense has a remarkable truly potential to sort of arrive at new levels, which demonstrates the way that GMT could for the most part be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $3.80 with the genuinely least expected cost